Hello my friends, today I want to go ahead and show you how to restring a battery operated electric weed eater. So first, see right here, it does turn on. So I want to go ahead and take the battery out. Just be safe. Be safe. So right here, we have this. So this right here is a thing, this button to let the string out. That's what that does. You can use that. Now you can also, I might show in the end of the video how to do it without using that button, but I want to go ahead and show you how to change out the spool. So basically there's two little things right here, and this is a one string string trimmer weed eater. Okay, there's two strings as well, but this is one string. So there we go, there's that. Now you can buy little different spools, or you can buy a huge thing of it. Make sure you get the right diameter. And I want to go ahead and show you like wind this one up. I want to go and show you how to take it out. So you come here and you take it out like this, okay? And you need to be aware, this part right here, that goes down here. Now this is a electric weed eater, as in a battery operated cordless electric weed eater. This is the Worx brand, but it may work for other brands like Black & Decker, Ryobi as well. It might, or you might be able to learn enough to be able to do it yourself. So there we go, that's how you take it out, just off like that. And then if you're going to do another spool, you could, I think they actually sell spools, but you might just want to buy your own string. But you would basically want to take it and loop the string. Here's the spool. And there's a little thing the string can go in like that. Okay, and so I just want to go ahead and put it in time lapse and go ahead and wind the string up. Alright my friends, so we want the bottom part down, and this is where it is supposed to be. It's wound the proper way, so I just want to go ahead and slide. This is the trickiest part probably of the entire process. So we come in here, and it's starting to come loose, and you want to slide it down like so. But we have a little problem because the string's on top. So I don't know if you can see, you want to make sure it's tight. Everything's tight. You want to make sure you don't have too much string on. If it's not feeding out, you might have too much string, or it might be too tight. I got like a little bunch up here, so I just want to go ahead and trying to pull it up so I can tighten it, push it down. And you want to make sure that it feeds out. If it doesn't feed out, then you might have it too tight. Okay, so there we go. Just like that. You don't have to worry about cutting it off. You can just start running it, and there's a little built-in trimmer right here, which is stop it. So you're just gonna go ahead and put this cap back on. So I wanna go ahead and put the battery in and do it, and you should see it should cut to right here. You're gonna probably hear it clattering when I first turn this on. Let's go ahead and slide the battery in, put the safety goggles on. Take the battery out, and then you can see right here, it pretty much cut right to there. So that's how to do it. Pretty nice little string trimmer, weed eater. I've done other videos. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Love you all.